Hello everyone, my name's Amy Wolstenholme. I've had the privilege of being involved with the Young Poets Network several times over the years, but this poem is particularly special to me because it's written using language from the now nearly extinct Dorset dialect in southwest England, where I'm from. So really it's a celebration of the heritage of my region. And if you want to see translations of the words used, if you click on the poem on the Young Poets Network, there will be a list, and I hope you enjoy it. Avor. When I'm alone, I use the lost language, gathering up guilty cups for your grave, thinking only of how much you loved yellow, how you'd stretch your hand to the sun in the archette, watching it settle in the grooves and galaxy of your palm. We've been having casualty weather since you went, my love. The sky is dark over the Gallicrows, and the chimneys still smoke, although it's supposed to be spring. I think of you of rose in autumn, knowing somehow you're taking the bluff off the trees, and I'm angry at you, playing hiddy-buck with me. You were always meant to be found, eventually. It's your turn, you'd yell. Well, Tackham boy, I'm still seeking. I only wish to tell you of the hostingers I saw down by the river, their wings and the water all of the same glitter, and how the poppies to year are redder than ever. I only wanted to tell you how you're laid anigh the place we loved, the place where all the dummels swarm the honeysuck. I never realized our home held so little and so much. I kept your popples, sold on the ruffle traps and the dust. The mourners didn't understand when I said I'd found a fairy's heart, so I think, somehow, it'll be my last. I left it with you as the word all passed, and it's casualty weather again for us, rave love. Look, the sky is singing thunder.